We'll guide you through how to make and start a Minecraft SMP for free. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. An SMP can be great fun as you can play with your friends and you can go and build your world together. What you'll need to do is go and open up a web browser just like so. Type in Minecraft server like this, and what you need to do is come to Minecraft server download. Here it is. What we can do is go and press on the download just like so, and there it is, it's now downloading. So with this guide, we're going to be hosting the server on our computer. This means the computer will need to be on and the server running for it to be online. You'll be using your internet and your resources, and you have to give out your IP address and things like that. People joining your server will be joining your network as well, which may not be ideal. So the alternative is today's sponsor, Apex Hosting. I'll put a link in the description and the pinned comment. At the moment, you can get 30% off your first invoice. So with Apex, they'll be hosting it, so the server will always be online. And also you're going to have support from them, which is a 24/7 live chat assistance, which is super convenient. Automated backups, a powerful panel, ultra latency, giving you a smooth experience. Instant setups, when you purchase it, it's ready to be used as well. So check them out if you're interested. But to continue with the guide, you need to go and open up your file explorer. Come to your downloads and find server.jar. Drag that onto your desktop like so. And what you want to do is right click on your desktop, hover over new and create folder, and you want to name this SMP or server, it's up to you. Then you can drag and drop server.jar in there. Open it up. Now what we need to do is go and run this, so double click on it. If nothing happens or something else happens and the files aren't appearing, you may need to go and get Java. Open up your web browser and you want to head to java.com. Here you can go and download it and install it. Then you can return here, right click on server.jar, hover over open with and press choose another app. Select Java and press always and it will run. When these files are generated, open up euler.txt. You need to go and read and agree to the euler, which is essentially the terms. If you then go and agree to it, I already have read it and do, change false to true. Press file and press save and you can then close it. Now, before we get any further as well, you can go and open up server.properties. This is the server settings essentially. So you can scroll through here and make changes. You can of course go and change that later if you want to. Then you can press file and press save and that's it. Then you can go and double click on server.jar again and now it should go and open. You can go and see here we've had this pop up. The spawn area has been prepared. So now you're wondering how can you go and join it? Well, what we can do is go and open up Minecraft, press multiplayer, and we can go and press add server. For you to go and connect, you just need to go and type in localhost and press done. Then you can select it and go and press join server like so. And as you can see, we've now gone and joined it. It's that simple. Now you may be wondering now, how can other people go and join? Well, the most common way to go and set this up is to go and port forward. And this is essentially setting it up so people can go and connect through your network. So you need to give people your IP address, but that's why it's a great alternative to go and use Apex, to sponsors of today's video. So after you've got them port forwarded, or there is another method we've got on our channel of how you can go and make the server available to the public, people can then go and join.